border was a wire, the field was a scar. Searching for the sun but only finding the star of a lonely night. Waiting for the dawn to break with a heavy heart and a spirit left to ache. But we're planting seeds where the shadows used to grow. Life begins to move where the river used to flow. It's a long road back from the edge of the dark, but we carried the ember, we protected the spark. With a pen in our hand or a plow in the clay, we're writing the first line of a brand new day.
The first line we draw is the line in the sand. The last hope we hold is the soul of this land. From the ruins of the past to the heights of the blue, we're building a kingdom and it starts with you. No more looking back at the fires in the night. We are the first line. We are the last hope of the line.
I see it in the children, the way they hold their hand, turning all the sorrow into something else instead. The ink is made of sweat, the paper made of grace. I see the future shining on every comma face.
The line between the then and now, the line we trace upon our brow. The hope that never went away, the hope that brought us to today. Cambodia, rise! Cambodia, rise! The first line, so I'll in my sin. The last hope we hold is the soul of this land. From the ruins of the past to the heights of the blue, we're building a kingdom and it starts with you. No more looking back at the fires in the night. We are the first line. We are the last hope of the line. The first line, the last hope. My land, my soul, Cambodia.